आ जाएंगे, समझ आ जाएंगे।
Yeah, so good morning, all of you. We are about to just begin a very uh, prestigious event that is organized in this college, and I'm proud to announce that this is a very, aspiring moment. This is a very, lucky moment for the college, and we are very much, we are very much, we should be thankful to our director. We should be very thankful to our this Saswat sir for organizing this event. So we just begin this event. So this is about intellect. Yeah. Sir, if you have anything to say, please you may speak the speak. Yeah, your Krishna Kumar. I think Krishna Kumar, you have anything to say? If you have anything to say, please you speak. Otherwise, mute your mic. So just we begin very important event where we will discuss about identifying intellectual property component at the early stage of innovation. Basically, until our chief guest joins us and delivers on his on the event, I will just like to introduce you towards intellectual property. So whoever has joined this session will benefit this session, and they will know a lot about things which other people don't know. Basically, physical property. Everybody, is aware of a physical property. Everybody is aware of your physical property. So I just phone call. Please. Hello, Jitender.
अच्छा संजय, मैंने आपने जो अभी भेजा था ना मेल आईडी.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Jitender,
yes, yes.
You have anything to say?
Okay.
Jitender, Jitender, you have anything to say? Please. Jitender, okay. Sir has joined. Our chief guest has joined the session.
Sir,
So I welcome. Sir has logged in by the name of Jitender Chaurasia because sir का direct login ID नहीं है, तो no problem. हम sir को welcome करते हैं हम अपने college में. Welcome to our college, sir. We have this. We are very much. We were aspiring for this great moment. हमें इस वक्त का हमें इंतजार था कि मतलब आप आए और हमें इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में बताएं. और इसमें मैं ज्यादा कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूं क्योंकि मतलब इसमें जब सर आ गए हैं तो मैं सर का टाइम भी ज्यादा नहीं लेना चाहता हूं. मैं बस दो शब्द में यही बताना चाहता हूं कि देखिए ये दिस इज बेसिकली हिस्टोरिकल मोमेंट फॉर मैनकाइंड दैट we are discussing about intellectual property. We are aware about physical property, but a plot of land is not in your name unless it is registered. Even if you build a house and live on it, you have to vacate one day because the plot of land is not registered in your name. So same way, if intellectual property is not registered in your name, it will not belong to you. You have to get it registered through various means on which sir will speak on this intellectual property. So intellectual property is a very new development for mankind, I can say. And this intellectual property was initiated by a convention by United Nations at the world level. तो उसमें क्या है कि मतलब 1967 में WIPO was born, World Intellectual Property Organization. On 1970 have started their work, and since 1970 we know, and on April 26, April 26 is the World Intellectual Property Day. So these are some of the introductory, information that I have provided. We are very proud to welcome our chief guest. We are Srinivashan Ji, who is the president of 4AIP Solution, and we welcome you to our college, and we are very proud to listen to your this lecture, and please throw some light on this so that we get more information on this. And I welcome all the audience. I welcome Saswat sir. I welcome our director of our college, sorry sir. I welcome all the faculties, and I welcome all the students to this session. I welcome all the audience who have just spared their time for this event. And I just hand over the stage to our chief guest, and who will take over the stage, and he will begin his speech. Welcome, sir. Welcome to this. And we are happy for this proud moment. Welcome. Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I hope I am audible.
Yeah, you are audible, sir. You are audible.
Right.
You are audible.
Thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity and to have an interaction session with entire team, faculty, your president, your directors, chairman sir, and all the faculties, along with the students who have joined for this session. And the session, I want to keep it in a very brief, in a nutshell, and want to make an understanding about the actual requirement of IPR, and that too at an initial stage, what you are looking forward and why it is required, and what is the parameter, how you have to go for an IPR, as well as you have to really understand the actual requirement as an engineering graduate or an as a technical graduate, why it is more important for these graduates to really to take up the charge of innovations. So this is the fundamental thing I want to start with. And as a president of 4A IP, we have been, getting accustomed and getting collaboration with various students and the institutes and academia. And we are happy to serve you people and the entire industry too. First of all, from the fundamental, if you talk about, we have to understand what is an engineering is all about. We say it is an engineer, or when we say a person who is doing an engineering, or a faculty member who is teaching an engineering subject, the terminology engineering itself states that innovation, innovator. So please, we have to understand the fundamental. Any person who is doing an engineering, he is an innovator. That is the fundamental thing. Any person who is teaching engineering, he is an innovator. So it means that we have to think out of the box. When we say we have to think out of the box, that is the topic what you have given today for me to really tell how we have to do, how we have to understand IP at the initial stages. That is what I want to do starting about. I hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you. See, when we say an engineering graduate or an academia is an innovator, it means that we have to be very clear what is an invention is all about. When we say it is an invention, I'm not talking about discovery, I'm talking about invention. When we say invention per se, it means that nothing in this world should be available. That is the fundamental parameter of any invention to be filed as a patent. Nothing should be available in this world what you have invented. The second point talks about it should not be obvious. It should not be obvious.
From the audience side, please mute your mic. From the audience side, I request you to mute your mic, please.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. The second most important for any invention is it should not be obvious. Obvious का मतलब ये है कि भाई ऑलरेडी चीज है और दो चीजें उन दोनों को मिला के आपने एक इन्वेंशन कर दिया. Not like that. It should be very clear कि something new you have generated it or something new ideas you have created it. So these two fundamentals are very much important for any patent to be granted, to be accepted by the examiner, either in India or internationally. The third thing, which is very important, is about whatever the invention you are creating, whatever the thought process you are having in, it should have some commercial value, some commercial changes, some social changes should be there. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने यहाँ से पत्थर फेंका ऊपर मून में चला गया जी, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है मुझे. Neither to the industry, nor to the people, nor as an inventor. So whatever the invention you are doing, you have to be very clear that we have to follow these three parameters, which is very much important to get a grant of any invention. Now, I'm coming back to the students as well as to the academia. When I said academia himself is an innovator because he is teaching, he is guiding, he is forced to the students who have joined in the stream as an engineer, but rather than I would say as an innovator. So the out of the box should start from the beginning. Might be from the first year, or might be a person who is joining an engineering, he has some sort of different thoughts, different ideas, That's why he is doing, and we agree on to that point. He gets on to the point. They have joined engineering only to create something. So it becomes a responsible position or responsibility of any faculty to understand each student, each member who has joined in this stream, and make them to move towards thinking out of the box for being an innovator and for being to file a patent. See, when we talk about IPR, the generic question comes: IPR, it's just an intellectual property? No, it carries other things also from the patent. Patents are of two types, which you have to really understand. One is called utility patents. Utility patent है जो कोई यूज होने वाला है कहीं पर, जहां पर इन्वेंशन को प्रोसेस में लेके आने वाले. The second is the design patent. These two patents are more important for any engineering graduates. Design patent का मतलब है a machinery which is specifically designed. Might be, let me give an example. एक टाइम में कंप्यूटर होता था, बड़े बड़े होते थे. Would have seen बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे हैं which are in the larger scale. टीवी बड़े होते थे. The thing shifted from बड़ा बॉक्स टीवी, black and white TV, to the color to the solitaires, and then LEDs, LCDs, LEDs, plasma. इस तरीके से जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, बट पर्पस क्या है? सारे के सारे टीवी ही है. Nothing has technically not changed. इनफैक्ट जो उसका यूटिलिटी है वो चेंज नहीं हुआ, लेकिन टेक्निकलिटीज पूरा चेंज हो गया उसका, उसकी वर्जन्स चेंज हो गए. इवन द टीवी की जो आउटर शेल्स है, दैट कैन बी टेकन इनटू द डिजाइन. मैकेनिकल डिवाइसेस, नट, बोल्ट, बॉटल्स, कैप्स, यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग एज एन एग्जांपल व्हिच आप डिजाइन पैटर्न में ले आ सकते हैं. इट मींस दैट एनी डिजाइन व्हिच हैज एन एस्थेटिक टच, एस्थेटिक वैल्यू, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं, that comes under the design. As far as pattern goes, these two are more important for any person who has joined in the stream of engineering. Why am I focusing again and saying that engineer and the students who have joined in engineering? See, fundamentally we have to understand one thing very clear, कि those people who have opted for engineering as a wholesome, we are, or the industry is looking for them to do something new and give back to the society that this development we have done. Why I am talking again this is very clear. When we see the overall scenario of academia or the industrial perspective, we are way behind in comparison to US, Europe, or any other market. Even in Asian countries, if we talk about, probably when we compare with China or any other country, if you see, we are in a very initial stages. That would be the one of the reason, like even government of India is focusing on invention, and that too specifically with academia. Because it is very much important to really understand only the academic people can really mold the people of the future. They are the people who can really take up the charge. They are the people who can really make the new inventors into the fore. So this is very much important to make known that at the initial stage, when a student is joining or a person has taken a charge, that I want to do an engineering, that stage he has to really taken forward for all the new thoughts. How am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Thank
you are
you.
audible, sir. Go ahead, sir. You are audible.
Thank you. Now, when we talk about IPR, majorly there are around 5 types of IPR. What we talk about. First, I have already said it is a patent. That is anything which is an inventive, which is new, which is novel, which is not obvious, as well as which has some commercial utility. That is said as patent. Then it comes the design pattern, which is about the aesthetic design of any equipment. Then you have a IPR called in the name of trademark. Probably a lot of people would have known about the trademark too. Trademark is a mark basically used for building a brand, building a company, right? That is a logo. For example, when I say it's a Nike, Nike देखते ही आपको याद आएगा वो टिक्का याद आएगा. When I say Coca-Cola का bottles का shape याद आएगा. When I say McDonald, M के shape में याद. Once we see, we know this is the brand. That is called trademark. Then there is another IP, that is copyright. You have to very specifically understand about copyright also as an academia, as a student too. See, copyright has a different subjects. Like when we talk about what can be copyrighted and how the things has to be taken in. Any thesis which you are writing, any blogs, any writers what you are writing, that can be copyrighted. Because when we meet academics, number of people are writing something or the other in the benefit of the students and the benefit of the entire education system. But they are not doing the copyright. That itself can be taken into a platform that it is your intellectual property. That has to be taken care. All the students, for example, the students who are in the final years doing some thesis paperwork or something like that, or something they are writing up for the journals and all, that can also be taken into copyright. These two fundamentals, like patents and the copyrights, when I talk about, these two are more aligned, or in fact I should say these two are the main IPR which an academia should focus on from the initial day. When I say the initial day, it should be from the day one when a student joins into this stream, or the day one when an academia decides and finalize that I want to be an academic person, I want to be a guide. These two factors are very much important. These two IP are very much important for academia as well as the students. Now we are coming back to the same query, like why we should start at the initial stage. See, एक कहावत है, जो 5 में सीख के नहीं तो 50 में सीख नहीं सकते. When you cannot learn at the age of 5, you definitely cannot learn at the age of 50. So when a person joins this academia as an engineer, वो स्टेप हो जाता है कि पहले से हमें शुरू करना चाहिए as a technical or in a layman term. And the other way, when I talk about the industrial perspective, most of the people would have seen the phone, mobile phone, which is now Android or iOS. Normally हम क्या करते हैं, we flicker on, right click, left click, up click, down click, सब करते हैं. हमें लगता है यार ये कुछ भी नहीं है, but for your understanding, I will tell you, each flick has been patented. तो flick pattern हुआ, उसके बाद जब भी आप scroll up करते हैं, right shuffle करते हैं, left fingering करते हैं, double fingering करते हैं, people are not aware each movement has been patented. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब सिर्फ एक फ्लिक को पैटर्न फाइल किया, ऊपर की तरफ करेंगे तो पैटर्न है, राइट की तरफ करेंगे तो पैटर्न है, क्रॉस करेंगे तो पैटर्न है. ऑल दिस थिंग हैज बीन पैटेंटेड. मींस दैट जिस व्यक्ति ने ये सोचा है कि मैं एक एंड्रॉइड टच स्क्रीन मोबाइल में बनाऊंगा, उसकी हर एक्टिविटी को मैं पैटर्न करूंगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज थॉट इज ऑल अबाउट. व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट अ स्टूडेंट, जब वो आ जाते हैं या एकेडमिया, जैसे वो आते हैं, as I said, they have to think out of the box. In the same time, they have also to understand that they have to keep on thinking about something which is around them. It is not. हर चीज अलग है. People know कि इस जो वो देख रहे हैं, जो मिसिंग है इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, that can be patented. But the thing is कि how we are going to do it, how we are going to innovate it. उस प्रोसेस क्या सही रास्ते में है या नहीं है. These are the factors which we have to really understand it. क्योंकि हमारे इर्द गिर्द अगर आप देखते हैं, बहुत सारी कमियां हैं. Everybody would accept to this. बहुत सारी कमियां हैं, बहुत सारी एलिवेशन हो सकती है, बहुत सारी कमियां भी हैं जो हमें लगता है कि यार ये करने से ये मिशन बेटर चल सकता है, ये तो हमारे यहाँ पे है ही नहीं यार, ये करने से ये मच बेटर हो सकता है, एवरीबडी इज हैविंग द थॉट, ये करने से हो सकता है, ये होने से बेटर रहेगा, बट when you are thinking that ये करने से हो सकता है, ये करने से बेटर होगा, you have to understand why don't you do that. That is the initial stage from the day one. Coming to the college in a cycle might be, you know, in a bike might be a fantasy for the people, but उस bike में whether I have to use the petrol or whether any other alternative measures or any alternative method in which I can, you know, ready a bike. That is what the more important is all about. People might think लीटर पेट्रोल जो है 80 रुपए का हो गया है, लेकिन क्या कोई ऐसा तरीका है जो मैं बाइक मोटराइज्ड बाइक like you know you have a battery bikes now, any other option in which you can take in. तो ये चीजें सबको पता है कि यहाँ पर कमियां हैं, but the only focus what we have to do is we have to take it forward कि जो कमियां हैं जो हम अपने इर्द गिर्द देखते हैं उसमें अगर आपके पास कोई भी alternative method हो, कोई भी alternative method which you think that it can be taken into, that is my idea, that is my innovative, it will definitely give a social mobility or definitely it will have some impact on the economic additional value to the system, you should go for a patent. My request to all you people is, to the faculty as well as to the students, is think out of the box, to think out of the box. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने चांद जाना है, खड़े खड़े पता चल जाएगा ये सारी दिक्कतें हैं हमारे पास, बहुत सारी दिक्कतें हैं, बहुत सारी परेशानियां हैं, and for every problem there is a solution. When I say when there is a problem and there is a solution, you are the people who can really take it forward. कि as an engineering graduate, new technologies can be taken in, new system can be taken in, viable system can be taken in. When I say it's a viable system, obviously जो लोग दुनिया को देख रहे हैं उनके लिए बहुत आसान है, टेक्नोलॉजी आप लोग कर ही रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी आप सिखा रहे हैं और सीख रहे हैं, so it becomes more easier for you people to change the techno system which is available. That is one of the reasons why government of India is more focusing on academia, especially with the engineering academia, that is non-life sciences जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं, non-life academia को इस ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करने का कारण ही यही है कि more and more number of innovations, more and more number of patents, more and more number of technical upgradations should happen. And some of the material facts or you know related to the patent, as per the Indian standard, as per the Indian academia, or as per the India as a country whole, we have to understand very clearly. In 2018-19, total number of patents filed in India was around 50,000 odd. And in the world, it was plus 5 lakh. In that, let us not be proud on this, because in that 50,000 patents which have been filed in 18, 19, 19, 20 का अभी तक डाटा आया नहीं है, 18, 19 का जो टोटल डाटा है, अगर आप देखें 50,000 patents has been filed only by Indians in India. I'm eliminating multinational companies, whether you know multinational companies or an international innovators. The patent has been filed in India. उसको मैं हटा के अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, it is just 15,000 patents. Just 15,000 patents. मतलब we have to understand one thing. There are around 4,600 engineering colleges in India. Academias are there. Several lakh students are studying. Several lakh, you know, academic people are there. And just 15,000 patents in a year, including academia, including corporate in India, including you know individual inventors, including pharmaceutical companies also. I'm adding up that. So just 15,000. In that, when I break the entire figure into, you know, academic courses, when I talk about academic per se, okay, मैं अभी ब्रेक कर रहा हूँ, टोटल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर कितनी पैटर्न फाइल हो रही हैं, दो people are more intelligent now, the world is open to all, the world is actually open to all, बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपग्रेडेशन आ रही है, आजकल के बच्चे बहुत स्मार्ट हैं, faculties are very good, they are upgrading on each and every skill in respective to IPR, in respective to technology, people are upgrading beyond device basis. When I talk about academia, it is hardly 1700 patents are filed in India, including IITs and IAS, IAC. So it is just 1700 patents. When we talk about international university, this type of forces, if we talk about this type of forces, when we talk about this type of patents, we talk about a smallest university in USA files better than IIT in India. They file more, patents in comparison. Both they are. So there is a huge scope where we can really work on and say that our students, or as an industry, as an educational industry, huge scope is there where we can go for new invention. That is what we mean to say, that we have to start from the early stage. From the day one, the students has to understand they have joined a course, they are studying a course, they are technical and inventors by studying an engineering. Can I have the mute, please? Can I have the mute?
Please mute the mic. Audience, please mute the mic so that sound does not disturb the session. Please. I request the audience to mute the mic, please.
Thank you.
Please, sir, go ahead.
This is the most important thing which we have to understand. When you gave me the topic of early stage of invention, I wanted to make it very clear. Where is the scope, actually? Where we are lagging and where is the scope? Now I'm breaking down again from the industry, international to the India, and India to the academia. Now I'm breaking to the wholesome on the basis of geographical. On the basis of geographical, right? When I said it is around, academics and industrial. Industrial in Uttar Pradesh, overall patents filed in a year. Patents filed in a year is around 900 patents. Is around 900 patents. When we talk about Uttar Pradesh as an educational hub, around 450 or 600, 500 colleges are there. Each college ने 5 patent फाइल किया ना, उससे 1000 बन जाना. So this is where focus on. This is where we have to really focus on. So, as a brief I have given, what is what. Okay. Now, coming to the point of patent. पैटेंट हमने क्यों फाइल करना है, उसका फायदा क्या है, what is the advantage, that we have to understand. First of all, patent जैसे मैंने बोला था, it should be innovative, nothing should be done in the world, right? Then it should be a non-obviousness, then it should have a utility that the patent can be utilized. The final product can be utilized and it should have a commercial value. इसके बाद आपको समझना ये जरूरी है, as a student when I talk about patent मेरे लिए क्या जरूरत है, what is the use of the patent? नाम शोहरत एक तरफ अलग रख दीजिए. Yes, when you think out of the box, you are helping the society. When बहुत important है कि हर engineering graduate want to get settled in a good way. They want to get placed, they want to be recognized in the industry. So supposedly a student files a patent, it is resembled in the, it has been showcased in the resume. As a recruiter, if any good companies are coming in, definitely the chances of getting recruited is much higher in comparison to a person who is not doing this, who has
Audience,
not done an
please
interview.
mute your mic. Audience, please mute your mic because this is disturbing the session. Please, audience, please mute your mic. I request the audience to please mute the mic because this is disturbing the session. Please, audience. Yeah. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Thank
Just
you.
go ahead.
See, as a student, they have to understand. मैंने कुछ टेक्निकली कुछ नया चीज किया है, मैंने पैटर्न फाइल किया है, मैंने कुछ नया thesis बनाया है, which has been already copyrighted. When these are all government records, it is not by just saying that I have done. There are government records, validations are there. Then I am putting in my resume, believe me, the students fraternity, the chances of getting recruited is much higher, because each company, when they come for the recruitment, they know that they want to have the cream layer from the college, from the institute. They don't want to have those people who are the failures. They want to have those people who are innovators, positive thinkers. So this is going to add a value to their resume. Apart from that, they have the self respect in the college or self thing I have learned. Apart from that, when they go for a pattern, when they start thinking out of the box, obviously उनकी जो working capacities होती हैं, सोचने का जो कैपेसिटी होता है और थिंकिंग कैपेसिटी जो होता है वो ब्रॉडर होना शुरू हो जाता है. They start searching for new things. Something like a student who have been average, and once he scores the 100% or top the class, he will never want to leave that that position. The same way, it is something like where once you get the taste of this blood of invention or innovative or thinking out of the box, the process will go on till the life ends. So as a student, please be sure and understand one thing very clear, that you have chosen engineering, so you have to do the justification of the subject which you have chosen it. So please think out of the box to make your own career in a right shape. Now I'm coming to the academia side. Why patent is more important for an academia? Why it is required for an educational institute? What is the reason for filing patent? मैं तो अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, लोग बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, पास हो रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं. Not. Even in academia, they are an inventors and they are making inventors for the future. So for the academia, the mentors are there, the guides are there. उनकी भी enlargement हो रही है, उनकी भी मतलब what do you call the acceptance in the market हो रहा है. Plus they are also thinking out of the box, creating something new to the society, giving something new to the society in turn. Plus when in an institute where number of patents are filed more, the recognition of the institute is much higher. Much higher. The faculty का strength उनके invention से ही होता है. The faculty and the students का strength उनके inventions and उनकी patent file से आज के दिन में ज्यादा recognize किया जा रहा है industry के अंदर. When I talk like Amity University, yes, they file around 100 odd patents in a year. SRM, yes. Yes, so this is how the difference have started. सिर्फ पढ़ाना और सिर्फ पढ़ना, सिर्फ पढ़ाना और सिर्फ स्कोर करना नहीं रहा है. Industry is watching the academia, industry is watching the educational institute, the institute which is doing the best, they are creating the best students out, as well as students, their responsibility, because as a mentor, a guide can guide you, but you have to come up with the focused idea कि boss मेरा सोच ये है, can this be patented? Can it be an innovative? Your guides are always there to help you out in terms of telling you, boss, this can be done and that can be done. Moreover, as an IP attorney, we are also serving the same. We would guide you guys to the entire team as a team member, that we can add up the value to the academias. That is the purpose of IPR per se. But now, when I talk about Uttar Pradesh, only 900 patents has been filed in totality. So you can just imagine what is the total score we can make it. Might be your academia would be around 600 odd students or plus. Might be. Or might be 1,000 students. अगर हर साल का फाइनल ईयर का बच्चा 50% भी मानता सर, 10% भी अगर इन्वेंशन की तरफ आना शुरू हो जाता है, probably IIMT would be the number one, in Greater Noida Knowledge Park. When I say number one, around 20 to 30 patents can be filed in a year as an initial stages. So invention has to start from the beginning. It is from the grassroots level, from the first year of the student. Students should start thinking out of the box. Usme aap as a mentor, as guide, you can always help them out. Moreover, when I say it is an initial stages का लोगों का बहुत बहुत अलग अलग मतलब है. उसका एक मतलब है कि मैं इनिशियल अभी मैं एक कोर्स ले रहा हूं, आई शुड थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग द कोर्स, जैसे मैंने समझाया. दूसरा इनिशियल स्टेज है कि नथिंग इज अवेलेबल इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड मैं अर्ली स्टेज में उसे ऑब्जर्व करूं और उसको मैं इनोवेट करूं, उसकी प्रोसेस को बढ़ाऊं, किसी को बढ़ाऊं और उसको इनोवेट करो, उसे फाइल करो. देयर आर टू डिफरेंट वे. When I am taking to the second way, again, who is the observer? Observer are you people. Observer are the students. Because उनके लिए आज के दिन में सोशल मीडिया has grown like anything. Easy communication हो गया है. Everything is easily available in Google to search it. कि what is available, what is not. Everything is easily available. Accessibility बहुत easy हो गया आज के दिन में. So they know कि कौन सी ऐसी चीजें मेरे पास नहीं है. Let them think on that. So initial stages उसको भी कहा जा सकता है कि when I am observing in the industry, when I am observing the society, what is left out, which is required so that it will add up the value to the system. When I say add up the value, it is not only the commercial value. Please try to understand. It should be a techno, commercial, and social value. We have to be very clear about that. Excuse me. Can you please mute your mics?
इसको मैं नीचे करूँ, चलता रहेगा ना. ठीक.
Hello.
IBM skill.
Hello. Sir, is my voice is audible? Is my voice is audible, sir?
Yeah.
There was some disturbance. That's why I stopped, sir.
Yeah.
There was some disturbance.
Yeah, your voice is audible, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfectly right.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So we have to understand another aspect also in this. कि मैंने जो एक invention करना है, why should I do that? That is your moral responsibility for your not only for your sake. It is a moral, and you have to give back to the society overall, because lot of investments are happening in respective to academia is concerned, education system is concerned. It is not only the government of India which is doing a huge investment, but also the individual academic person, like हर एक को college, हर एक आदमी college नहीं शुरू कर सकता. Your directors, your presidents, if you talk to them, they have some sort of philanthropic idea that I want to change the system, I want to educate the students. This जो उनका investment है, उनकी जो मेहनत है, that has to be taken forward and that has to be come forward to give back to the society. Otherwise आप हमने कर लिया, मुझे विप्रो में नौकरी मिल गया, या मैं इंटरनेशनल चले जाऊंगा, यूएसए में बैठूंगा नहीं. इंडिया में पढ़े हो, इंडिया में भले हो, तो इंडिया के लिए भी क्या करोगे? That is also more important, because you have to give back to the society. That is very much important. If everybody flies out, there is no possibility कि इंडिया में इन्वेंशंस होंगे. इंडिया के इन्वेंशंस के रिकॉर्ड मैंने आपको बता दिया. 15,000 patents are filed in India with a population what we have 130 crores. 130 crores. We are lesser than Singapore academias. We are lesser than Singapore patents which is filed annually. So we have to understand this thing very clearly. कि students has to be serious from the day one. कि मुझे कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेंटिव करना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारी चीजें अवेलेबल है जहां पर हम लोग कर सकते हैं. The scopes are very big. scopes are very big, and it is not कि मतलब आपने कर दिया, you are not getting benefited. Definitely you are getting benefited in terms of praising, in terms of placement, in terms of value addition to the system. Right. So, sir, any specific questions if anybody has, they can ask, because I want to take it last.
I request the audience to please raise the question to sir. Any question? So let us make the session lively by making it a two-way, event. So I request the audience to please raise their hand and just then in the system, and then they just unmute their mic and raise the question. I request Saswat sir to just unmute the mic so that the audience are able to unmute the mic if it is centralized, please. Please, from the audience side, if Jitendra is controlling, please unmute the mic of the audience so that they can raise the questions. I request the audience to please raise questions. So just I request from the audience side, if you are getting my voice, to please raise question for the session. If you have any question in your mind, please, you are free to discuss. You are free to discuss with sir. So please raise the question. I request them. Please ask question. But I think is there some technical problem in which all the mics are muted? Or Jitendra, if you can unmute the mic of the audience, please. Jitendra, if you're getting my voice, you are unable to unmute the mic, or the control is with Saswat sir. He can unmute the mic of the audience. If it is centralized, they have muted the mic. Now. So now I request the audience to please unmute the mic and then ask questions, please. Please, from the audience side, I see a huge presence. 142 audiences are there, and it is a very grand event, and it is a golden moment for the people of IIMT College. And request the audience to please ask questions on the topic. Please. I request the audience to please ask questions on the topic. Please ask questions on the topic. Sir, from my side, I can ask question. I have a question in my mind, sir. Let us take some discussion. Sir, I have a question in my mind. Sir, in the early stage of innovation, intellectual property, component in the early stage of innovation, we can say. So what is the starting point of innovation? We can call that, okay, this is the early stage of innovation, and we can go for patent and go for, because for students to understand, I feel that, okay, I'm working on some research and everything, and I have presented my paper, I have published my paper. But okay, it has been published and everything is done. I have got a degree also, and it is recognized. But what is that stage at which somebody can file, say that, okay, this is the early stage of innovation and we can register our property? Please.
See, as I said, when you think something out of the box, when you feel your gut feeling is that something which is new, which is you think like it is not available in the industry at all. So then what you start doing is normally you start doing the procedures, general procedures. You either write up the entire flow chart you would be making in कि मेरे को एंड यहाँ पर आना है, ए से शुरू करना, जेड में पहुंचना है. So you will जो भी आपने इन्वेंशन किया उसकी प्रोसेस करेंगे. You will have a write up. अगर कोई डिजाइन है वो सब डिजाइन बना के अपने पास रखेंगे. That is the first fundamental. Once it has been done, then you will be approaching any of the attorneys for doing a prior art search. Prior art search का मतलब है there will be a search report which we have to generate after seeing the write up saying that ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ये कहीं और किसी वर्ल्ड में कहीं पर भी है. That is why I said a patent can be a novel only when nothing is available in this world. Nothing is available in this world. तो आपने जो राइट अप बनाया है उसी का इन्वेंशन डिस्क्लोजर फॉर्म बनता है. देन वी डू अ प्रायर आर्ट सर्च. प्रायर आर्ट सर्च में हम ये देखते हैं कि ऐसा जो भी आपने क्लेम्स किए हुए हैं कहीं वो कहीं वर्ल्ड में कहीं पर ऐसा तो नहीं है, कहीं मिलता जुलता भी है. Then we get three results. First result is बिल्कुल ही नहीं मिलता या totally it's a new concept. The second result would be थोड़ा बहुत मिलता जुलता है, but some modulation can be done, जबकि the pattern can be filed. It is an invention. तीसरा है रिजल्ट मिलता है नहीं जी बिल्कुल ऐसा अवेलेबल है, this cannot be patented. This is the first stage. Once we understand this can be patentable, then we have to make a draft of the claims. वो techno legal subject matter है वो. It's not just a legal, because you are talking about technology and it has to be represented in a legal format. So that is why I am saying it is a techno legal subject matter. When ये techno legal subject matter का draft बनता है, then you file an application. This is the process actually. When you ask me invention कब है, then you thought something out of the box. When you pin down, that itself is the initial stage of your innovation.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for just throwing light on the topic. I request the audience to please, yes, anybody who has one question, please, you are free to ask questions, please, from the audience side. Yes, Mr. Jitendra Chaurasia, you want to say something? Yes, Jitendra, you want to say something? हाँ, बोलिए. कुछ कहना है आपको, जितेंद्र? हाँ, बोलिए. हाँ,
एक मिनट सर. सर AFR जनरेट करने के बाद पेटेंट ऑफिस से रिपोर्ट आने में कितनी टाइम लगती है?
I'm not understanding your question. Can you please once again retain?
हाँ, जितेंद्र आप अपना क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करिए. आप अपना क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करिए जितेंद्र. हाँ,
पेटेंट जो फाइल करते हैं सर, उसके बाद AFR जनरेट होता है, उसके पेटेंट ऑफिस से रिपोर्ट आने में कितनी टाइम लग जाती है?
सर देखिए टेक्निकली आप एक बात तो समझ लीजिए, पेटेंट ऑफिस इंडिया का जो नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर है वो अलग है. अगर हर चीज को आप एक्सपेडाइट करना चाहते हैं उसके प्रोसीजर्स अलग हैं. ओके, लेट मी टेल अबाउट द पेटेंट. जो नॉर्मल प्रोसेस होता है, जब आप फाइल करते हैं, फाइल करने के बाद एग्जामिनेशन रिपोर्ट FR आने के लिए 18 महीने लगता है. उसके बाद आप एक्सप्लेनेशंस करते हैं, उसके बाद पब्लिकेशंस होती है. ओके, नाउ अगर आप एक्सपेडाइट करना चाहते हैं इस चीज को, तो आप फाइल करते ही विद द स्पेशल फीस यू कैन डू दैट, ताकि 3 महीने के अंदर अंदर एक्सपेडाइट होके एग्जामिनेशन हो जाए और पब्लिकेशन हो जाए और एग्जामिनेशन हो जाए. बट इट एड्स स्पेसिफिक फीस. आप एक्सपेडाइट करते हैं तो मैक्सिमम 1 साल के अंदर अंदर सारा कुछ हो जाता है.
So I hope जितेंद्र, हाँ पूछिए, और कुछ आगे कुछ बोलना है? जितेंद्र आपको कुछ और बोलना है? हाँ, यस जितेंद्र.
मैं बता देता हूँ सर, जो एग्जामिनेशन देखिए अब इसमें फीस जो है 3 हिस्से में बटा हुआ है सर. What is called individual inventors, then the small scales, and then you have the large scale. Natural entity भी कहते हैं उसको हम लोग. स्मॉल स्केल मतलब इंडिविजुअल को नेचुरल एंटिटी भी कहते हैं, तो नेचुरल पर्सन. तो अब ये डिपेंड होगा कि कौन से पैरामीटर में आपने फाइल किया है. मान लीजिए आपने इंडिविजुअल पैरामीटर में फाइल किया है तो फीसेस अराउंड 1600 2000 के रेंज में रहता है. अगर आप एकेडमी या कॉलेज के थ्रू फाइल करते हैं, द सेम फीस गोस टू अप टू 13000 समथिंग फॉर वन एक्शन, ऑफिस एक्शन प्लान. लाइक आप पहले पब्लिकेशन के लिए बोलते हैं तो लगभग 12,500 रुपए लगते हैं, और उसके बाद एग्जामिनेशन के लिए भी एक्सपेडाइट करते हैं तो उसके लिए भी लगभग 2500 से 3000 रुपए लगते हैं एक्स्ट्रा.
So Mr. Jitendra, you are convinced with the answer. You have any more question, please? Jitendra, you have any more question? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for this question. I just asked the audience from the audience side. Anybody who have question, please? Yes, please.
Kaushal, you can ask.
हाँ, आइए. You can ask the question, please. Kaushal Kumar, sir, you can ask the question, please. Kaushal Kumar, please ask the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, my question is, in the examination, what was the process to just qualifying marks for the examination?
No, in which examination you are saying, sir? It is
in patent. After filing the patent, we will have to give an examination.
No. Patent किसके लिए? Can you repeat the question, please?
Repeat the question, Mr.
Sir,
Kaushal. हाँ, please.
यस सर,
नहीं,
जब
ये
हम सर
चाह-
पेटेंट
ये
फाइल
चाह-
करते हैं तो जो हमें वो जो 18 महीने के अंदर जो एग्जाम देनी होती है, तो उसकी प्रोसेस जो हमें जो एग्जाम जो प्रोवाइड होगा वो उसका सिलेबस क्या होगा?
सर आपको कोई एग्जामिनेशन नहीं देना होता है, जो आप पैटेंट फाइल करते हैं उसकी एग्जामिनिंग होती है, उसमें आपका कोई रोल नहीं है, आपका पैटेंट अटॉर्नी जाके एग्जामिनेशन करेगा।
ओके सर, और जब जो हमारे आईएफआर जब जनरेट हो जाती है तो उसके बाद फिर वो अगर हमने स्पेशलिटी से थ्रू किया है तो वो 3 महीने के अंदर हो जाएगी, वरना 18 महीने लगेंगे उसे?
सर देखिए, हाँ पहले क्या होता है कि पब्लिकेशन होने के लिए एक्सपीडिएट करना है, मान लीजिए अगर आप एडिशनल फीस पे करते हैं तो 3 महीने में होता है, नहीं तो पब्लिकेशन होने के लिए 18 महीने लगते हैं। एब्सोल्युटली राइट।
ओके सर,
पब्लिकेशन होने के बाद एग्जामिनेशन होता है सर, एग्जामिनेशन होने के बाद पब्लिकेशन नहीं होता है, पहले पब्लिकेशन
सर।
होता है उसके बाद एग्जामिनेशन होता है।
ओके सर।
Yes, Mr. Kaushal, you have any more question, or now we can go ahead with the other audience, please. We give opportunity to other audience to ask questions. Please, from the audience side, I request the audience to please raise the question, raise your hand, and please ask questions for the session. Please, any other from the audience side? Please, any other from the audience side who want to ask question? Yeah. Sir, I have one question. Sir, I have one question. I just want to raise one question. Sir, I am suppose I am making some developing some product and I am making some invention. But how do I know that whatever invention or whatever product that I have made, it is worth patenting? Because who is the authority who can certify that okay, now your invention is unique and it can be patented? So final authority who has the say that okay, your innovation is worth patenting at what stage?
जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, जैसे आपका इन्वेंशन प्रोसेस शुरू करते हो कि यस दिस इज अ आइडिया व्हिच कैन बी पैटेंटेड, उसके बाद आप किसी भी अटॉर्नी को अप्रोच करेंगे, अटॉर्नी एक आपको एक फॉर्म देगा, उसका नाम है आईडीएफ। एक मेथड है वो, इन्वेंशन डिस्क्लोजर फॉर्म कहा जाता है उसको, आईडीएफ को। कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछा जाता है आपसे रिलेटेड टू योर पैटेंट का जो है उसका इन्वेंशन के रिलेटेड, वो आप उस फॉर्म को भर के देंगे, लिख के देंगे हमें, और उसको उस अटॉर्नी को लिख के देंगे। देन उसको क्या करेंगे, वी डू अ पब्लिक सर्च, उसे हम कहते हैं प्रायर आर्ट सर्च। वी सर्च फ्रॉम द पैटेंटेबल सर्च। जब प्रायर आर्ट सर्च होती है वो दो किस्म पे होती है, एक होती है पैटेंट जो ऑलरेडी वर्ल्ड में जितने भी पैटेंट फाइल हुए हैं उसके बेसिस पे डेटाबेस में सर्च होती है। दूसरी नॉन पैटेंटेबल सर्च, जैसे कि गूगल्स हो गए, जर्नल्स हो गए, स्पेसिफिक टूल के साथ सर्च करते हैं। उसमें जैसे आपके पैटेंट में आपने जो आपकी जो इन्वेंशन है, अगर कोई नहीं मिलता, कोई भी रिलेवेंट नहीं मिलता डॉक्यूमेंट कि ऐसा कोई पैटर्न हुआ वर्ल्ड ओवर, देन द रिकमेंडेशन विल बी गिवन टू यू कि दैट यू कैन गो प्रोसीड फॉर फाइलिंग अ पैटेंट। इफ मैंने वही बोला था, प्रायर आर्ट सर्च में 3 रिजल्ट्स आते हैं। पहला रिजल्ट, ऐसा कुछ दुनिया में है ही नहीं, यू कैन फाइल द पैटेंट। दूसरा, बहुत थोड़ा बहुत मिलता जुलता है, 19-20 का फर्क है, बट यू कैन ऑल्टर समथिंग इनटू द न्यू थिंग इनटू दैट व्हिच कैन बी पैटेंटेबल। तीसरा, with the search itself you will come to know if this is not patentable, because without doing a patentable search we will never suggest you to file a patent. There is no point in filing a patent without doing prior art search. So
yeah, sir, basically, yeah, just it was a very nice answer from your side, and I'm very happy for that. I request the audience side, I give time to the audience to please raise question. Please go ahead. Please raise your hand and raise question from the audience side, please. Audience side, from the audience side, go ahead.
Yes,
so
sir.
yeah, please raise your question.
अगर
From the
सर कोई
audience side.
सर बोल रहे सर, अगर कोई पॉलिसी बनाते हैं, जैसे इनोवेशन पॉलिसी बनाते हैं, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
जैसे वो सिर्फ मेरी खुद से बनाया हुआ है, हम नहीं चाह रहे कि कोई और कॉपी कर ले उसको।
तो उसी के लिए तो पैटर्न फाइल करना है ना जी आपको।
मिस्टर मयंक राज, कुड यू इलेबोरेट योर क्वेश्चन? आप अपना क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा इलेबोरेट करेंगे क्या? थोड़ा अच्छे से बताइए कि आपका क्या क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज मयंक राज।
यस, जैसे कि इनोवेशन स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी हम बनाए खुद का, उस
Okay.
केस में हम चाहते हैं क्या कि जो ये पॉलिसी मेरे नाम पे रजिस्टर्ड हो जाए और उसके बाद हम किसी को दें। तो इस केस में इसको पेटेंट करेंगे या कॉपीराइट करेंगे?
नहीं सर, देखिए अगर आपका इन्वेंशन है, अगर आपका वो इन्वेंशन है, मैंने आपको 2 इन्वेंशन अपने सेशन में बताए थे। पैटर्न 2 किस्म के होती हैं। एक होता है आपका प्रोसेस यूटिलिटी पैटर्न, प्रोसेस पैटर्न कहा जाता है उसको। दूसरा है डिजाइन। आपने कोई एक मशीनरी बनाया, वो डिजाइन पैटर्न के अंदर चले जाता है। ठीक है। अब जो भी इन्वेंशन आपका है, सबसे पहले आप उसे फाइल करेंगे। फाइल करने के बाद पब्लिकेशन होगा, उसके बाद ही आप कमर्शियलाइजेशन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। उसके बाद आप किसी को भी ले सकते हैं, लेकिन पहले आप फाइल करेंगे। फाइल करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा कि जो भी आपने इन्वेंशन किया है, उस वो वाकई में क्या वो इन्वेंशन के अंदर आता है या पैटर्न फाइल करने के लायक है या नहीं करके प्रायर आर्ट सर्च आपको करना पड़ेगा। उसका रिजल्ट आपको पता चल जाएगा।
So, Mr. Mayank, you are okay with the response? Any more question you have, Mr. Mayank? Please, Mr. Mayank. Mr. Mayank, you are okay?
सर वो
Yes.
पॉलिसी डॉक्यूमेंट होगा क्योंकि अलग हो, जैसे गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी अभी आई नहीं वाली, तो उसकी बेसिस पे हम एक पॉलिसी बना रहे हैं और जो अपने कॉलेज के लिए बनाते हैं थोड़ा अलग होगा। तो जैसे बहुत लोग उसको कॉपीराइट करके रखे हैं, तो वैसे क्या हम कर सकते हैं?
सी जितने भी आपके लिटरेरी वर्क है, चाहे आप किताब बना रहे हो, डॉक्यूमेंट कर रहे हो, कोई इवन पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन हो गया, एनीथिंग व्हिच इज लिटरेरी, ठीक है, वो आप कॉपीराइट फाइल कर सकते हैं।
Yes, Mr.
Okay,
Mayank. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Mr. Chandan had raised the hand. So I request Mr. Chandan to please raise the question. Mr. Chandan had raised the hand. I request Mr. Chandan to please raise the question. Dr. Pushpendra, Dr. Pushpendra, please raise the question. Dr. Pushpendra, please raise the question. Unmute your mic and please raise the question.
Okay. So my question is that I have some doubt. I got also patent in the Australia government and 3 in a national patent. But my doubt is that, sir, ki some patents we got, but certificates is not get. Patent is already published, or within 3 months, one patent.
You are talking about patent or design one, sir?
Hello?
Sir, you are talking about the utility patent or a design patent?
Not design patent, sir. Only academic patent, sir.
Right. तो अगर आपका मिल जाता है, उसके बाद जब पब्लिकेशन हो जाती है, उसके बाद एग्जामिनेशन होता है सर। वंस पब्लिकेशन होती है, उसके बाद एग्जामिनेशन होता है। एग्जामिनेशन के बाद ही ग्रांट मिलता है। इससे आपको एग्जामिनेशन आपका आ गया क्या?
नहीं, वो सारा ग्रांटेड हो चुका सर। जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया का था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का तो हमें सर्टिफिकेट मिला है। ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंटरनेशनल पेटेंट का तो सर्टिफिकेट मिला, ऑस्ट्रेलिया गवर्नमेंट का तो आया।
ओके।
लेकिन जो इंडिया वाला था उसमें नहीं मिल पाया। वो ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है पेटेंट, जो उनका जनरल होता है ना सर, पेटेंट ऑफिस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया वाला का है जो IPR, तो उसमें उसके जनरल में भी वो पब्लिश आया। मतलब मेरे को ऐसा डाउट है कि पेटेंट का फाइल करने का भी नहीं, कई तरह के पेटेंट है। जैसे विद इन 3 मंथ्स पेटेंट हो गया, एक होता कि भी 3 साल लगे, 2 साल लगे, ऐसा कुछ करके है। मेरे को उसमें
नहीं, आई विल टेल यू सर, ये कंफ्यूजन है। कोई भी पैटर्न 3 महीने में नहीं होता है इंडिया के अंदर। ठीक है?
नहीं, वो टाइटल ऑटोमेटिकली प्री अप्रूव्ड टाइटल है वो।
नहीं, आप क्या कह रहे हैं? फर्स्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आपने फाइल किया, उसी पैटर्न को यहाँ पर क्लेम किया है।
बिफोर फाइलिंग द पेटेंट, one procedure that before filing the patent, we will take a pre-application approval that the title is finalized. It's okay. Title also should be approved, na sir? Title also.
नहीं, there is a confusion, sir. See, आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो 2 डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं एक्चुअली। पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, मुझे समझना है जो आपका ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो पैटेंट फाइल किया था,
या सर,
उसी पैटर्न को आपने इंडिया में भी क्लेम किया हुआ है। हाँ, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ,
नहीं वो सेम नहीं है।
वो अलग अलग है, राइट?
हाँ वो
अगर
अलग है।
अलग अलग है, वो प्री अप्रूव्ड कैसे हो गया फिर?
नहीं प्री अप्रूव्ड नहीं हो सकता सर, टाइटल की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं।
नहीं, सी टाइटल से कोई लेना देना नहीं है सर। टाइटल के अंदर एक बार बताऊं आपको, टाइटल में एक अक्षर बदलने से भी टाइटल बदल जाता है। ओके,
एक्चुअल में क्या सर, डायरेक्ट तो हम पेटेंट फाइल नहीं करते ना, एक उसको लॉयर के थ्रू हम अप्लाई करते हैं।
राइट।
डायरेक्ट तो उसका फॉर्मेट का चक्कर होता है। हमारा आइडिया है, हमारा
हाँ,
इनोवेशन है, लेकिन हम हेल्प लेना पड़ता है। जैसे
आई अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लीटली, आई एम अप्रिशिएटिंग दैट। मेरे को क्या है कि ये सवाल में दो ये है। पहला ये है कि आपका जो बोल रहे हैं प्री अप्रूव्ड का मुझे डिफाइन समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कोई भी पैटर्न प्री अप्रूव्ड नहीं होता है। स्टिल
नहीं, मैं
टू मेक
वो
यू अ क्लैरिफिकेशन, आपसे मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, once the session is over, take the number from Mr. Das, Shashwat Das ji, so that you can share me the application number. Let me go through what has happened and what stage it is. क्योंकि ऐसे रैंडमली मैं आपको सजेशन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ।
actually one okay I will take first thing that we will get application number.
यस, फर्स्ट आप जब अप्लाई करते हैं, आपको
सर एक
एप्लीकेशन नंबर मिलता है। नंबर में नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर्स में अगर जाते हैं तो 18 महीना लगता है पब्लिकेशन के लिए। अगर आपने फास्ट ट्रैक किया है, दैट इज एक्सपेडाइट किया है,
I am
तो
only fast track.
हाँ जी,
I am only discussing fast track procedure.
ओके, तो 3 महीने में पब्लिकेशन हो गया होगा। 3 महीने पब्लिकेशन होने के बाद अगर उसको फिर से फास्ट ट्रैक करना है, तो आपको फास्ट ट्रैक फीस पे करना पड़ेगा एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। एग्जामिनेशन 1 साल के अंदर अंदर होगा, उसके बाद जाके ग्रांट होगा सर।
अच्छा, मैं एक क्वेश्चन और है सर, जैसे ये एप्लीकेशन नंबर मिलता है तो वही पेटेंट नंबर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है ना, जो एप्लीकेशन नंबर रहता है वही पेटेंट नंबर हो जाता है ना बाद में।
दैट इज द पैटर्न नंबर, उसी के थ्रू ही सर्च कर पाएंगे ना।
कंफर्म करा था ना, जो एप्लीकेशन नंबर है वही बाद में क्या कहते हैं वो पब्लिश होने के बाद वही पेटेंट नंबर आ जाता है ना।
एग्जैक्टली सर, वो डिपेंड होता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल आपने
हाँ।
प्रोविजनल एप्लीकेशन डाला, प्रोविजनल
हम
एप्लीकेशन, हाँ,
पेटेंट की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की,
यस,
हम
उसी में दिख जाएगा, उसी में
करते
दिख
हैं,
जाएगा। हाँ,
तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो पब्लिश पेटेंट है वो आ जाते हैं उसमें नाम
बिल्कुल
से
आते हैं
सब।
सर, बिल्कुल जैसे एप्लीकेशन नंबर डालोगे तो सारा डिटेल्स आ जाता है।
अच्छा, मैं ये कह रहा था कि ये जो चलो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की छोड़ो हुआ, तो मेरे को सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया पेटेंटेड।
अच्छा, डॉक्टर पुष्पेंद्र, I request you that further discussion you can hold with Dr. Saswat sir and offline. I request you to please wind up quickly so that we can give opportunity to other participants also. Please go ahead, Pushpendra. Pushpendra, go ahead.
I will physics. Yes,
No problem. Pushpendra, go ahead. You go ahead.
Okay.
You go
नहीं,
ahead with
sir.
your, but finish it fast. Yeah, that's it. Go ahead. Dr. Pushpendra, go ahead. Yes.
सर मैं ये कह रहा था कि और मतलब जो जितना भी फास्ट ट्रैक है, किसी तरह का भी पेटेंट हम फाइल करते हैं गवर्नमेंट इंडिया के अथॉरिटी पे, ठीक है, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कुछ सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है क्या या नहीं मिलता, जो ऑनलाइन और उनके जर्नल में पब्लिश हो चुका है। एक उनका ऑफिशियल जर्नल है पेटेंट ऑफिस का, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का, अगर उस जर्नल में मेरा पेटेंट
see, it is not only in India, world over process सेम है, सिस्टम सेम है। जैसे ही आपका पैटेंट रजिस्टर्ड हो जाएगा, आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा ऑनलाइन ही।
मैं ओनली सर एक क्वेश्चन मैं कंफर्म कर रहा था, मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा, कि किसी टाइप का भी हम पेटेंट फास्ट ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, किसी टाइप का कर रहे हैं या हम बिजनेस के हिसाब से करें, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत वैरायटी है पेटेंट फाइल करने की भी, एकेडमिक है।
देखिए फास्ट ट्रैक के लिए ना कुछ लिमिटेशंस अभी गवर्नमेंट ने रखा हुआ है।
हाँ,
ठीक है,
मैं ये चाह रहा था सर कि सर्टिफिकेट is provided to all types of the patented in India. That is right?
yes,
Like that now.
Okay.
Okay. Sir,
Okay, Dr. Pushpendra, you are okay. Now you have see, Dr. Pushpendra. I hope you have exhausted your questions now. Dr. Pushpendra, can we move to other participants, please?
Thanks.
Hello.
Thanks. Giving me this opportunity.
Dr. Pushpendra, can we move to other participants, please?
Yes,
Ah.
no,
Yes. You have any more question, or we can move to other participants? Okay. Thank you, Dr. Krishnan.
Thank you,
I
Doctor.
invite question from other audience, because now time has exceeded, more than 10 minutes, I think. So I request other audience to ask questions. Now we can close the session. Because the session is now coming to an end. So from the audience side, please ask any questions. Just I give 3 minutes more to ask questions, please. Anybody from the audience side, please ask question if you have any question. Just 3 minutes more for question answer session, please. Anybody, any audience from the audience side, anybody? I give now 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more I give to raise question, please. From the audience side, please. I don't see any more response from the audience side. I request Honorable Srinivasan sir to just go ahead with his speech and close the speech further to bring it to an end. Then we will just discuss with the others. Okay, sir. Go ahead, sir. Srinivasan sir.
Thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity to have a session with your esteemed team. And my humble request and my input would be, IIMT should file more and more number of inventions and more number of designs and copyright that we can showcase, and IIMT should grow to the next level, where number of intellectuals coming out, and the mentors also are great. What I have seen with today's session, couple of mentors are already, they know the concept. But yes, anything which you want to really understand, I think Dr. Das is having the number. Shashwat ji ke paas mera number hai. You can always take up the my number for query clarifications. And further, probably you would be getting associated with your esteemed institute. We have already had a tie-up with IIMT, Madrid University. So probably that would be a great work. I hope we will have a great teamwork for coming years ahead. And I would especially thank the chairman and the director and all the faculties, and also the students who were patient enough to be in the session, to take this session as a successful one. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Srinivasan sir. Yes, Jitendra. Jitendra, you have anything to say, please? Yes, Jitendra.
Sir, Sanjay Pachori.
Yes, sir. Pachori, sir, you can address the session. Address the audience, please.
How you are?
Boliye, sir. Yes, sir. Pachori, sir.
Mr.
Go ahead,
sir. I'm having a very humble request to Mr. Jiten Chaurasia ji. If we would have a cup of tea with our all team in the campus of IIMT, I'm inviting you on a cup of tea in the campus.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thanks. It is a privilege, our privilege, that all the participants will
I will wait for your confirmation on which date and time you are coming over here, so that we should have a cup of tea with my all R&D and IIC team.
Sure. Sir, you can give your convenience time, because I am also staying in Greater Noida only. I'm staying in JP. So for me, it is near place.
You are my neighbor as well. If you are in JP, as I am in Aldigo.
Achha. Okay.
You are my neighbor.
Right.
So it's my privilege if you are if you accept this particular request and have a cup of tea with my team.
Sure, sir. Sure. See, you can tell your convenience date because might be you will be having.
I would like a request. I would like to do a request. I would like to make a request. It should be decided by you, and time will be decided by us.
Okay.
Yeah, the date should come
Guys,
from
your
our
maximum time.
privileged
Yeah.
speaker. Yeah.
Will it be convenient for your team because you people work on Saturdays? And,
Next week, Tuesday, Wednesday.
perfectly right. Wednesday we will keep it, sir.
Right. So we are finalizing on next week, Wednesday.
Yeah.
Perfectly right, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot for giving me the honor.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Pachauri sir. Thank you, Pachauri sir. I would like just to take over the stage, and I would like just to, announce that just 2 minutes. I will just take 2 minutes to say something which is in my mind. I just want to introduce the audience that future belongs to those who have maximum number of intellectual property. So the scenario in the globe in the world has changed. Physical property is no more valuable than the intellectual property. So I want to announce the importance that intellectual property, so future belongs to those who possess maximum amount of intellectual property. I give you an example of America, the Silicon Valley. They invite and they pay handsome salary and money. So this was born. See, intellectual property was first of all thought by mankind. I can say in 1967, when United Nations by its convention created a body by the name of World Intellectual Property Organization in 1967, which started to function in 1970. And that was the time when we see that America created Silicon Valley, and they have patented so many innovations. Our Sundar Pichai is an example, who is the CEO of Google. So people of Indians rising to such great heights, they are giving all their intellectual property to another nation, that is America. So I just request our participants to not leave our country. You please have some sentiments for our country, make your innovation and give it to our country, not to another country who is benefiting by the intellectual property. Just imagine the potential of intellectual property. It is worth more. Any industry is having big warehouse, big factories, but if they do not have intellectual property, they are nothing, they are zero. So I give the importance that please make innovations, make patents, grow your intellectual property for the benefit of the nation, and for our nation to give a place in the world and compete with the developing nations. That is the difference between a developed country and undeveloped country. So let us go ahead and develop our intellectual property in India. And I request all the participants, first of all, I thank all the participants for sparing their valuable time, for giving their valuable time. It was a golden moment for the IIMT people, and it was a very proud for the people of Viva. We are very proud of having such a great speaker, V.R. Srinivasan sir, who is the president of 4A IP Solution, and he has delivered an excellent lecture. And every moment we enjoyed the lecture, and it was very thought-provoking, and we learned many things, and by the questions also. And we would request that the relationship with our IIMT should grow, and we further invite you for the tea session also on Wednesday, as proposed by our director sir. And we welcome you to the tea session. I welcome all the audiences who have participated in today's event to come for the tea session at IIMT. And with this, I close the session, and it was a very proud moment for IIMT. And thank you very much. Thank you especially to the director, to the chairman, to Pachauri sir, and to Gaurav Sinha sir, to Saswat sir. I thank all from the IIMT also for giving such a moment, such a platform for people to learn about such a great thing. So thank you very much. With this, I close the session for today and bring the session to an end. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank you.